Hey guys, so this is my Australian version of living in the project. So it's called government housing, and I live in the Badlands in Tasmania. So I'm going to do like a room by room tour of my two bedroom. It's got one bathroom that also has the toilet in it and the washing machine and dryer because but like in Australian homes, even the government ones, you have to provide your washing machine, dryer, fridge, microwave, all of that stuff you provide yourself. But anyway, so very small. These were built in the early 1980s, so they're incredibly old. This is my 14-year-old daughter's room. It's sort of boho and stuff. Like, I like to think it's sort of not what you live, it's where you live, it's how you live. It's actually 7 o'clock at night. It's dark, odd time to do it. But anyway, so like that's her colour scheme: cream, sage, and white. Anyway, so we'll go. She's making like some room boxes. This is a white and wood desk. There's her MacBook, keyboard for her iPad, jewelry box, little thing, thermal printer, pencil case. Rick Rawdon mostly. I think it's like the Percy Jackson series and stuff. There's Cersei there, a couple of others, and some McDonald's Minecraft things. She works at Minecraft and works at Minecraft. She works at McDonald's and plays Minecraft. There's some up there. This whole shelf is actually made from an apple packing crate, and then you move on to like she has a huge dresser, and then on top of it, so some of her perfume collection, some cookbooks, some hair care like Garnier, some textures and acrylic drawers of textures. I guess that's her skincare she's using at the moment. Makeup brushes, Then next to it is a small version. There's body mists, not perfume, and what are they, like overnight lip treatment things and lip scrubs. Those two lip scrubs, and yeah, body mists, and that's like swimmers, athleisure, that sort of thing. Then I guess the other thing she has is her bed. It's a very small room, so it's a single bed. It's like a grey material bed with a that sort of stuff. Then here is her altar slash nightstand. It does have a drawer under there, and then here's the iPad charging, and then this is cool. So this is the same grey as the bed, but also is like a fold down sofa bed for if she, well, not if she, when she has friends over. And then her room, like and then so these curtains are cute. These are just, whoa, sorry, fell over. So there's next to her bed a little note thing, some hanging plants, a dream catcher, and then that made me sick, but so there's some nice little floral curtains in the middle, and then these are just nice oatmeal coloured what's the word, blackout curtains. Then there's some squishmallows on the end, and for pom-pom Perinis up there with a 40-inch rose pink wig on. And then on this side there's a full-length mirror with her hairbrushes and a little cactus thing. There's this is her art supplies cupboard, so there's foam slime and acrylic paint and actually a pottery wheel on the top drawer. Next one is set, so like oil pastels, watercolors. There's also a whole lot of felt, and she can do balloon animal art. And the next one down is just like bracelet making stuff. There's a bouncy ball making kit, 2 hair beads ones, 3 jewel making kits, and some contact. The next one down is all craft books, and then at the bottom is her sewing machine and material and stuff. I'm going to take the doors off her cupboard and have curtains in there, I think, because it's just like a hassle. There's her laundry hamper, and then like clothes, it goes like 2 across, so it goes like dresses, and then skirts, long skirts, jumpers, summer dresses, school uniform that needs to hang, And then at the very end of her bed, we have like this trolley with hair straightening brushes, curl cream, body mist, hair masks, clips, eyeshadow palettes. This is like her makeup bag that she takes to school with what she uses, I guess, which is like not a lot, just like jelly blush, lip stuff, bit of bronzer, bit of highlight balm, lip oil, oddly YSL mascara. I think my mum gave her that. Oh, and this is really cool. I know it looks like a texture. It's a lip stain. It's really, really good, especially for 14-year-olds. There's some more skincare products, and the bottom is sketchbooks because my daughter is a phenomenal artist, hence all the art supplies. Then, yeah, so like hooks. And there's her little handbags, like puppy one and dupe crossbody bag. Her friend from school brought her this one back from Vietnam. That was, I think, her first handbag. That's a cute little black one. So she's got like purses, dressing gowns, little bin. As I said, so that's her room. And I'll go into the corner. Ooh, so you can see actually how small it is. But anyway, like, so there's the desk, the books and stuff, and there is the door that we came in by.